a good thing to have written down. The next example, the same idea. We have the sine inverse is opposite over hypotenuse of some angle, right? Sine inverse, you're trying to find some angle. So again, I'm going to create a triangle. Opposite over hypotenuse. Do we know what this value is? No, so let's call it A. Okay, now we can use the Pythagorean theorem, and let's try to figure out what value of A would be in terms of x. Because this would say, like, evaluate in terms of x. So I do x squared equals a squared plus 2 squared. X squared minus 4 equals a squared. And therefore, a equals the square root of x squared minus 4. So what I'd write on my test or on my multiple choice question, it says, what is the cosine? Well, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this answer is just going to be.
Wouldn't you simplify A?
How could you simplify that?
Oh, I can see how I.
It's separated by subtraction, so you can't take the square root separating those. So that'd be the answer. So the only thing I'd just let you guys know is you will have a problem that is not on the unit circle. Just make sure you create a triangle. Okay?